We all know Mahatma Gandhi, right? One of the greatest leader of India, and this personality has even name across the country. So today I am going to tell you an inspiring story from the life of Mahatma Gandhi, and this story is going to teach us that honesty is always the right path. So once, when Mahatma Gandhi was a student, his teacher gave a class a surprise test. Now, here, Mahatma Gandhi did not know which chapters would come in the exam. When the children were giving exam, so during that time, a moment come when the teacher had to step outside the classroom, that too for a while. Now here, seeing that the teacher is outside, all the children, they started cheating, they started copying from each other's answer key. But Mahatma Gandhi did not cheat because he believed that cheating was wrong, and even if no one is watching, Almighty is always there, who is watching us, who is measuring all our karmas. So even after seeing, his friends are copying from each other's notebook and answer key, he was sitting in the corner and he wrote or attempted the questions that he knew he could answer, but he did not choose to copy. Now, after some days, when the results were out, Gandhiji got the lowest marks in the exam, and even he failed at the test miserably. Wherein the other children, they got very good marks, and the maths teacher was very disappointed. And the teacher approached him by asking, "Why did not you perform well in this exam?" So Gandhiji here replied to the maths teacher that, "Sir, everyone else cheated in the exam, but I did not, because my inner conscience did not allow me to cheat in the exam, because I presume that this is wrong. So that's why I did not perform well, or I failed in the exam." Now today, the whole world knows Mahatma Gandhi as a great leader and a symbol of truth and honesty. But no one really remembers the students who were cheated in the exam back in those days to get full marks. So what is the lesson, or what is the moral in this story? It has very beautiful moral. Always be honest and be truthful to you and even to everybody. Don't hurt someone, don't cheat someone, and even don't cheat yourself. If we deceive ourselves or to someone, then after a point, the same action can come back to us, and we have to pay for it. So be kind, be honest, be truthful, and respectful towards everyone. So that's it for the day. Thank you everyone for listening to me. I hope that through this story we have learned something, and if it is so, then we are definitely going to inculcate in our behavior or in our daily life, so that we could make a positive difference in our life and at the same time in others' life as well. So bye bye.